How to delete a comment on Instagram. If you've accidentally written something you'd rather take back, or you want to remove someone else's comment left on your post, here's how to delete an Instagram comment on iPhone. Start by opening the Instagram app on your iPhone, finding the Instagram post you commented or you want to remove the comment. After opening the Instagram app, you can go to the notifications section to find recent comments left on your post. You can also tap on the profile icon from the bottom and select a post where you want the comment removed. When you're viewing the post, tap on the comments icon, speech bubble icon, to view every comment associated with the post. Here, locate the comment, your own or someone else's, that you want to delete. If you're using an iPhone, swipe left on the comment to reveal options. There you can tap on the trash icon. If you want to bulk manage your comments, just tap on the three dots menu from the top. Tap on Manage Comments. Select the comments you want to delete. Tap the Delete button from the bottom. Confirm the action by tapping Delete Comment. The comment will be instantly deleted from the post. If this was useful, please like and share and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.